Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. We're back here in the garage on the workbench. Got something new for you. It's an ARRMA. It's a Typhon 6S. You may know what it is. Let's get it opened up, see what's inside. Ooh man, look at that thing, man. All right, let me get this out of this brown box and start opening this sucker. Well, at first look, I love it. The paint scheme is awesome. I love that red, white, and blue. It looks really cool. I dig the whole style of it. Not sure if I like the rims. I usually like a good spoke rim, but it'll grow on me. But man, this thing is super clean and nice. It's tuned TLR shocks. Everything's nice and heavy duty. It's very smooth. This wing, I'm pretty sure it has an adjustable tail or something to go on here. It's probably in my parts bag. Haven't even dug into that yet. Look at all those adjustments though on these linkages, the shocks. There's just adjustments for days. You can really fine-tune this thing if you like to race. Underneath, just super clean. Love the little mud flaps for the back, kind of on the side a little bit. The only thing I wish it would have came with some aluminum braces, but hey, we can always add those in later, right? 160 amp ESC, 2050 kV motor, 6S or 4S. Yeah, ready to run though. I like it. Underneath you have this slick chassis, real thick aluminum at 70-75. I dig it. Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. If you want to see more on it, I'll put the link down below where you can get it, but I really like it. These tires seem like they're gonna hold up well with 6S. That was a problem I've had with my Mojave on 6 and 8S. It's hard to find a good set of tires. But yeah, man, I'm so pumped for this. Like I said, you got an SLT3 remote. Nice, simple remote. It has your throttle limits, 50, 75, 100. That's always convenient. You know, if you just want to take it easy on the track, turn it down a little bit. That way it's a little easier. If you want to let someone borrow it, don't think I'll be doing that with this thing. Inside this bag though, a lot of goodies. Says we got some diff shims, extra diff shims. It's awesome. There's these adjustable. Oh, okay. So you got these two. You just screw these on here. Screw these on, and it'll change the way your wings, your downforce and stuff. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna do. Go to the huge tool and a little one, a couple Allen wrenches. I like the tool kit. Love the 17mm hex. That's good to have. Your ARRMA batteries. Wow. Okay, let's go ARRMA. A couple extra screws and nuts. Lots of adjustable bushings for your A-arms. All kinds of adjustable bushings. There's a couple different ones as well. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. I guess it gives you this little Typhon card. I don't know what that's for. And a manual. Typical manuals. Some stickers. You want to change up your stickers a little bit. Or for your different bodies. Well, alright. I'm going to throw a battery in it and just power it up real quick. It's dark and raining, so I'm not going to get it out till tomorrow, but I figured I'd throw this video together, at least show you what it's about. And as soon as I get off tomorrow, I plan on at least driving it, giving it some speed runs and stuff. I'm going to power it up for the first time here. I got a 6500 4S here for now. I'm still charging my 6S over there. So we'll get this thrown in, and there we go. So remote on, car on. See how the steering is. Oh wow, that's pretty quick steering. I like that. See if I can't do this one-handed here. Wow, what a beast. All right, we'll take this thing out and give it a rip. Out here after work, this big empty parking lot. We're gonna do some speed runs with this new Typhon. It's gonna be sweet. Running 4S right now. Got my GPS in here. So we're all zeroed out. We're gonna put it on track mode and start. Okay. That's full on. Fast on 4. Let's see, let's stop, read, 43. Okay, 43 on 4S. That's pretty good.
All stop.
That's pretty good. Let's see what it's got on the 132 foot. If I don't screw it up. Yeah. It tops out pretty much.
Quick.
Yeah. No way. Jeez. Nice. Well, let me throw some 6S in it, see how it does. All right, running 6S now. See how this thing opens up. I'm thinking, hopefully I get that 60 it says on the box. Better at least. Let's just see. Whoa. What a beast. All right. So we're gonna try top speed first. So track mode, start. That seemed wide open. I was afraid of losing it though. This thing's awesome.
58.
I think 61. Let's see. 62. 62, right out of the box on 6S. Wow. Let's try it on drag here. 132. $53, $310. Alright, I guess I better quit before I ruin these brand new tires. But that was awesome. So I figured I'd give it a run, show you what it's all about. I'm gonna throw this video up and then next video will be out bashing it in some dirt.